I'm sick. But yeah, you want to show them a video on your hair? Her hair is all messed up now. But the gist of it is that, come here. You don't want to show them? So how we achieved this was we used a little bit of water, a little of Cantu detangler, and my favorite olive oil. So because I thought I was gonna do it in this video, but she's sick, I'm sick, we're not together. But I'm gonna add a clip in here of a video where I was moisturizing her hair, and I didn't do it like this. I did it in two braids, but that is the gist of how I moisturize her hair. So, and then I'll also use my favorite product by Cradle. I will insert the pictures when you see me using the product in her hair. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. And I know we have a big update. We have a lot of updates because we haven't been on here in like 2 months. So I'm sorry, please forgive me. But say bye. Bye. So hey guys, it's me in Georgia, and we're back again. And here I'm going to show you how I moisturize Georgia's hair and the products that I use in her hair. So I'm just parting it down the middle because afterwards I'm just going to do 2 little braids, and her hair is so fine that the braids don't stay, but I'm still going to use it. So there I'm using the Cradle moisturizer, and it's really good, like really good. It really helped Georgia's hair grow back. So I'm just putting that in, and I already have a little bit of olive oil in as well, and I'm just combing it out, just getting all the tangles out so I can prepare to braid it. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. So I'm just brushing it as well. For some reason, I always brush, even though brushing, a lot of people say it probably won't do anything, but I just like to brush. So I'm just braiding it, and I'm just doing my old time faithful 2 braids, and I just continue just to braid it all the way down. Now, I do this style. Georgia, say hi to them. Say hi. Yeah, she's waving. She don't know this is a voiceover. But anywho, I do this style so it's a protective style. It's a nice protective style for Georgia. She's not going to mess in her hair. She's not going to mess up her hair or anything like that. And yes, she sits here and just lets me braid it. Of course, they're going to come out, but it'll help keep the moisture in. And so this is how it looks at the end. Mommy. And I just went ahead and did that side too. And Mom, here is the end result. Voila! Yay! So, yep. And it doesn't matter if your parts are straight because, you know, they're babies. They don't really care. So, that's how it looked. Make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for being so patient and looking at all of our videos. One of Georgia's videos made it to 10,000 views. Yay. But help us get our subscriber count up, and comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time. Peace.